This is pine cone and lime. So I'm going to use...
Why does this...
Here. Right here. Wipe it off with that. All right. So let's see. Putting some in here. Okay. Now I'm making this brown and green, so I'm going to reuse my green here. And then a little bit of white. So, all right, guys, I have Dave here doing my links for me now. Thank you, son. You are a wonderful son. Okay, so I have my white in here now.
What links do you need?
I'll show you this. Okay, so right here is my Etsy store. Okay, there's my white. Now this is going to be my brown.
Oh, snap. I just posted something. It was the view/print recipe.
That's okay, that won't do anything. Okay, so now I've got my brown. Dave will put the recipe up there for you. If you guys are wanting to know the recipe, you can go to my website. All right, so here's my brown. Scrape it down. Some of it popped up there. Ooh, that's looking good. Wow. Okay. And then for the pine cone color, I have, oops, where did it go? Oh, there it is. Hello, come here, little guy. Okay.
Here is the link.
Thank you, Dave. Dave put the link in there for you. Can you look back and see if there's any comments for me? Because I'm not able to do all of them at once. Okay, so this one is a khaki yellow. Let's see if this looks limey. Huh?
And it says Uncle Dave will die if she spells this on the computer.
Yeah, he probably would. For the white color, I use titanium dioxide. I don't know, what do you guys think? That looks limey. I think that looks pretty limey. What do you guys think? Did I do okay?
Angela, our website are we using for the recipe?
Right here, Living on Dime, right there's the recipe.
Showed it, but I already pasted the link in there.
Sometimes the links don't show up till after the show has posted. So as soon as I'm done with the show, you can go back and get the links if it didn't post, and I will put it in the description. Okay, and this I'm just gonna pour into my mold. So I have my mold here, and
whoa, someone's giving you a ton of likes.
Thank you guys for giving me a ton of likes. My wonderful son that I love. Do you like Mom? I came home from my trip yesterday.
I do not like Mom.
And Dave said, thanks Mom for coming home and doing Mom things.
And I already snarfed all that caramel corn.
He did.
I snarfed it all last night.
It's gone.
It's non-existent.
It's totally gone. Wow, thanks to all the new people who are on here. I do have a YouTube channel that, if you want to see more of my...
The links aren't working at all.
The links aren't working?
No one can see any links that I...
Okay, I've lost my white. Where did my white go?
Right here.
No.
Oh.
I've lost my white.
I think you said titanium
That's
oxide.
peppermint. That's for the other... Oh, here it is.
Which
one? Oh, good grief, Tara. Okay, so now this... I know, I got to get it together, don't I? So this one, I'm just pouring it all in. Okay.
Well, it looks like the link isn't working currently. Whoa, holy cow. This is a lot of people who like soap.
A lot of people like soap, huh?
Oh, no, the comments are freezing. Hold up. I can't see any comments.
Dave's going to refresh on the comments. All right, so I got that in. So now I'm just gonna pour, ooh, wow, that brown is getting, oh no. Okay, just stir it down if it gets a little, little thick on you. This is a men's soap, and I'm not going to do a super, super fancy top. I'm going to do just a little bit of a fancy top, not a ton. Okay. Okay, leave a little bit there. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in and just swirl it. Now this will be cut tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. live at Living on a Dime, 4:30 Mountain Time. We are in Colorado. So, okay, so now,
they saw them.
Do this. They saw the links? Okay.
Marie is the only one who can't see it.
Okay, thank you guys for doing that. So I'm making cold processed soap. This is Pinecone and lime. David is putting the recipe in for me again, for those of you who are just now joining me. And if you want more links, my How to Make Soap e-course is also available. And that has recipes and videos for all of them. All right. So, and we do have an exclusive How to Make Soap Facebook page where we help you with your soaping problems and all that. And get all that. Okay. Let's see if I can get this on and get this to go. Okay, so there's that. Then my green. Dave will put the link in again to my Etsy store.
Live video says it's
okay.
Maybe that's just for me, but
okay. All right, we're having a little bit of internet problems, guys. Sorry about that. Not sure what's going on. Okay, so all right. Getting it in here. Ooh, this is pretty. This is so pretty. Thank you for all the new people who are joining me. I appreciate it. We are live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on YouTube and Facebook. Living on a Dime, 4:30 Mountain. Okay, so now I'm just going to try and... Oh, ooh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you like it. Guys don't like super fancy soap, but it's still nice to have a little something. Don't you agree, Dave?
no.
Oh, come on.
No, I want the simple soap because you can't use the beautiful soap because it's too beautiful to use.
Oh, thanks. Okay.
Well, I mean, Jeff.
All right. I'm pounding out. See those little air bubbles? Pounding out the air bubbles.
Wow.
So let's get that going. Thank you, guys. Yeah, see, everybody agrees with me. So then I think let's go like this too. All right. Woohoo! So that men's one is done. Okay. All right. So this is Pinecone and lime. I'll be cutting it tomorrow, 4:30 live on Facebook and YouTube at Living on a Dime. Okay. So I'm going to stick this under a box with a towel and let it sit for 24 hours, and then I'm going to come back and cut it tomorrow. Now,
yeah, we can take care of it for you, just if you just send us that. So I'm pasting our contact info.
And we did give a $5
so
discount on shipping for international orders, so that
and the free ebook.
And the free ebook.
Danielle's done with her Christmas shopping.
Oh man, Mom just informed me it's less than 6 weeks to Christmas. I'm like, are you kidding me? I was wanting to be all done with my Christmas shopping a month ago, and I haven't even started.
Wow, Andrea, that's quite a good birthday present for him. Let's see. All right. Should I open?
Sure.
Because I'm making sure we didn't miss anything major here yet. Wow, there have been so many things coming on. Yes, a cup of tea would be awesome, Michelle.
Yeah, I think I need 3 or 4 right now.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I have to be careful with these.
Isn't that pretty, guys?
Oh,
Money in there.
from Meredith. All right.
Yay, the last one.